So firstly, we can say that recall that if you had a plus b into a minus b, it is equal to a squared, okay, minus b squared. So difference of two squares. This is the law of difference of two squares. Alright. Now from here you're seeing that you have 4 plus 15 and 4 minus root 15. So you can say that 4 plus root 15 multiplied by 4 minus root 15 is equal to 4 squared minus root 15 squared. Okay, so 4 plus root 15 multiplied by 4 minus root 15 is equal to 4 squared is 16 minus root 15 squared is 15, because this cancels the square roots. So we have that this is equal to 1. So hence 4 plus root 15 multiplied by 4 minus root 15 is equal to 1. From here we can say that 4 plus root 15 is equal to 1 over 4 minus root 15. From here we can now say that also 4 minus root 15 is equal to 1 over 4 plus root 15. Alright, now moving on, let's substitute this with this. So we have 4 plus root 15 all raised to the power x plus 1 over 4 plus root 15 raised to the power x will now be equal to 62. Okay, so we have 4 plus root 15 raised to the power x plus 1 over 4 plus root 15 raised to the power x is equal to 62. From here, let's 4 plus root 15 raised to the power x be equal to p. Okay, so we p plus 1 over p is equal to 62. Hence from here we can say multiplying each term by p, we have that p squared plus 1 is equal to 62p. Hence p squared minus 62p plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, moving on from here, let's use the quadratic formula that states that minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a will be equal to p to solve this. Hence we have that our a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 62, c is equal to 1. So we have minus 62 is plus 62 plus or minus square root of 62 squared minus 4ac, which is 4, all over 2a, which is 2, is equal to p. Hence from here we have 62 plus or minus square root of 62 squared is 3844 minus 4 all over 2 is equal to p. Okay, hence p now will be equal to 62 plus or minus square root of 3840 all over 2. Okay, call p is equal to 4 plus root 15 all to the power of x. Now we have that our p is actually equal to 62 plus or minus square root of 3840 all over 2. From here, we can now say that our p is equal to 62 plus or minus, making this to look like this, we have square root of 256 times 15 all over 2. Hence our p here is equal to 62 plus or minus square root of 256 is 16 times root 15 all over 2. Alright, hence p will now be equal to 2 into 31 plus or minus 8 root 15 all over 2. So we are going to have that our p is equal to 31 plus or minus 8 root 15. Now, recall, so we can now say that when P, because P is this or this, so when P is equal to 31 plus 8 root 15, it means that 4 plus root 15 all to the power of x is equal to 31 plus 8 root 15. Now, 31 is equal to 16 plus 15, okay, plus 8 root 15. So this is equal to this. Now, this is also equal to 4 squared plus 15 can be expressed as root of 15 squared plus 8 root 15. Now, this whole thing now becomes equal to 4 plus root 15 all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 4 plus root 15 raised to the power of x. Okay? Hence, our x is equal to 2. Alright? So this is one of the answers for x. Secondly, our answer for p is equal to 31 minus 8 root 15. From what we did initially, we had 4 plus root 15 all squared. Hence, from here we'll have 4 minus root 15 all squared to be equal to p. Okay, so from here we can now conclude that 4 minus root 15 all squared is equal to 4 plus root 15 all to the power of x. But recall that in the beginning we stated that 4 plus root 15 is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus root 15. Okay, now applying this law here, we now have that this will now become equal to 1 divided by 4 plus root 15 all squared is equal to 4 plus root 15 all raised to the power of x. You can invert this to have 4 minus root 15 all to the power of negative 2. Sorry, 4 plus root 15 all to the power of negative 2 is equal to 4 plus root 15 all raised to the power of x. Hence, our x is equal to minus 2. And this becomes the answer to this question.